This is just an unboxing of a Lenovo Thinkpad E14 Gen 3. So first is just the USB-C 65-watt adapter. The other part of the power cord. Look at the inside. So let's just go over ports on this. So just the USB-C power there, the power LED, powered USB 3, full-size HDMI, combo audio port. Powered meaning just like it can charge a device if the device is like asleep. And nothing on the front there. On this side, just another USB port, full-size Ethernet port, and a Kensington lock slot. There's nothing on the back. Nothing on the bottom either. I don't see any reset hole like on the T-Series ones. So it's got the dual mics at the top, the little privacy switch for the webcam. This one I don't think it has a fingerprint reader. Sometimes on some of them they're on this power button for the E-Series. And it's about it feels like any other ThinkPad, trackpad, and track point. And that's it.